Hi everyone, myself Dr. Devi, Professor Biomedical Engineering. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about region of interest, that is ROI. So region of interest or ROI refers to a specific area within an image or data set that is selected for detailed analysis. In various fields, including medical imaging and computer vision, ROI helps focus attenuation on key features to improve their efficiency and accuracy. So, ROI is region-based interest. It is a selected portion of an image that is chosen for focused analysis or processing. Simple definition of ROI is the part of an image that contains important information. So ROI is a selected portion of the image or multiple regions of an image in which you want to focus your focusing or processing and analysis. So region of interest, how to create this region of interest. So before that we have to know where ROI is used to. It is used to reduce computation time, improves accuracy, focuses meaningful features. So for example, X-ray image and lung area selected for disease detection is ROI. So creating ROI, the ROI tool, click the ROI button on a toolbar. So here some what the if you want to find the area of interest of an image in which it is used to focus your image analysis and detection of discontinuities. Detection of discontinuities refers to the process of identifying abrupt changes in intensity, that is gray levels in an image. These sudden changes usually correspond to edges, lines, or isolated points which represent important features of an image. In digital image processing, discontinuities help in understanding the structure and boundaries of an object. The types of discontinuities. One is point discontinuity, line discontinuity, and edge discontinuity. Point discontinuities are sudden changes in a single pixel, and line discontinuities are abrupt changes along a line, and edge discontinuities are sharp change which happens between two regions. The main purpose of this is to detect object boundaries, to extract important features, to aid in image segmentation and recognition. It is used for detecting boundary of organs in medical images or identifying object outlines in a scene. So ROI is used for medical image analysis, and for medical image segmentation, it is used to find individual objects of an image, that is called as image segmentation. Detection of discontinuities is used for finding line and edge and point discontinuities are there. By using mask, this type of discontinuities can be detected. Detection of discontinuities are among the three types. First, point discontinuity. There here a negative threshold value is taken, and based upon that point, the values will be fixed. So point discontinuities occur when the sudden and significant change in gray levels at the single pixel. In a digital image, or most pixels have gray values similar to their neighbors. When one pixel has a much higher or lower intensity than all surrounding pixels, it is identified as a point discontinuity. The type of discontinuity represents isolated bright spots, dark spots, noise spikes, and small objects like stars in the astronomical images. How it is detected? That is, small mask or filter is applied to compare the center pixels with its neighbors. So here 4 is called as mask. It is used to compare the center pixels or its neighbor's pixel. So the applications are detecting defects in the materials, identifying stars in space, spot detections in medical imaging, Simply we can tell a point discontinuity is a single pixel that looks very different from the pixels around. Detection of discontinuities, that is line discontinuities. Line detection is a process of identifying thin elongated discontinuities in an image where the gray changes abruptly along the specific direction. Unlike point discontinuities, a single pixel, which happens inside a single pixel, the line discontinuities extend over several pixels, forming a straight line nearby structure. So basic concepts is the lines may like bright lines or dark lines. Bright lines are in dark background, and dark lines are on white background. The main working principle is using mask or kernels. So here horizontal and vertical lines are there, and applications is it is used for road lane detection, crack detection, blood vessel detection in medical images, document image analysis. Detection of discontinuities, line detection. So edge detection discontinuities are used for discontinuities in intensity gray levels that occurs boundaries between different regions. So here the abrupt change in intensity is called as edge discontinuity. Edges used to represent object boundaries, change in surface orientation, variations in material texture. Principles of edge detection: first order derivative function, and its applications are image segmentation, medical imaging. Detection of discontinuities, edge detection, and line detection and point detection. These all are like this. So using this mask or privet or Sobel operators, this can be done. So here this simply these all are some examples of detection of discontinuities using gradient operators. Here after performing this edge detection, these all are sample images considered, and using this one, this edge detection and discontinuities are taken. So thresholding and thresholding is done, and basic global thresholding is done on different images. Based upon that, here adaptive thresholding and different type by using this different boundary characteristics, original image is taken and this thresholding operation is done, and based upon this threshold values, and here then region based segmentation. Region based segmentation is like this: region growing, region merging, and region splitting. These all are the region based segmentation. Based upon this segmentation by morphological values. So the use of motion in this segmentation, ADA accumulative different images, and use of motion, that is basic form of this ROI is used for image analysis, followed by its discontinuities and segmentation. Thank you.